Daddy Jack was a bluesman and extraordinary chef who freely shared all of his secrets. Here's Daddy Jack giving some pizza advice.
Is your pizza oven?
Yeah.
Can you introduce me to your pizza oven, please?
Yeah, I don't know. We hadn't had a name for it yet, but Carl Harris down in New Haven, he imports them from Italy. They come already. There's 6 real heavy pieces that they cut. They cut the brick, you know, and it's all assembled, put together, and you know, just a beautiful thing. You know, the oven gets up to 650, 700, or however you want it, how hot you want it, and but we cook. Our pizzas cook, you know, 6-7 minutes. You know, a lot of other, you know, Neapolitan pizzerias, they'll cook it in under a minute. You know, under 2 minutes. I like to, you know, we're maybe a little bit thicker on the crust, still a thin crust, but we let it go, you know, 5-6 minutes. Try to run about 600. But again, it's hard, you know, the deck, it's not the oven temperature, it's the deck temperature that's most important. You know, if you lose your deck temperature, you can't make good pizza.
Okay. How about, as long as we're talking about it, can you give any tips for the home pizza maker?
You know, make your own dough. I mean, you were telling me Fleischmann's yeast. We use a wet yeast cake, but dry yeast is good. And experiment, make your own dough. You know, you can put flavorings in. You can put herbs. You can put roasted garlic in your dough. Everybody uses kind of a plain dough, but you could really flavor. There's no reason why you can't flavor up your dough. And actually, you know, you make your own dough. You can tweak it and make bread on the side, make finger rolls, you know, knots, garlic knots at the same time as you're using it. You know, we found that a cold fermentation will let the dough, we keep it, you know, the box at about 36, 37 degrees, 2 or 3 days. Boy, that yeast, the rawness of it, it just matures, and the natural flavor comes through with the crust. That's my advice. Use a good flour. I mean, a lot of people say you had to use 00 flour. I'm not sure I buy that 100%. We use Trump, a high gluten flour. We've had excellent results with it. You can tweak it. We used to put Sam Adams beer into our dough. You could put, you know, a little bit of, you know, whatever you can put. I know some people put milk or heavy cream into their dough. Experiment, have fun with it.
All right, that's great advice.
Yeah.
And interesting to hear you use all Trump's gold medal flour.
Right.
Which I've talked about before.
Right.
Daddy Jack, thank you so much for taking time to talk to me.
All right, Albert.
Take care.
Thank you very much.